These next two exercises, we're going to introduce a new chord, the E minor chord. In this first exercise, you can see how it is written. It's written, we play the G chord for 2 bars, the C chord for 2 bars, the E chord for 2 bars, the C chord for 2 bars, and then we're going to repeat the whole thing again. Okay, so let's go over the chords we're going to use. First one is going to be the G chord, and you'll remember this from the first lesson. Okay, now the second chord is going to be the C chord. Okay, we should all remember this from the first lesson. And then we're going to go to the new chord, the E chord. So it's the first finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. And then we go back to the C chord. Okay, let's get ready for the countdown. Ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord. We're going to stay on the G chord. Okay, G chord. And then we're going to go to the C chord. C chord. Okay, we're going to stay on the C chord. C chord. Okay, the new chord is E minor. E minor. Okay, very good. E minor again. E minor. Now we're going to go back to the C chord. C chord. Okay, C chord again. C chord. Now this is the beginning of the start again. G chord. Okay, very good. Here we go. G chord. Okay, C chord. Okay, C chord. Now get ready for the new chord. It's the E minor. E minor. Okay, E minor again. E minor. Now we're going back to the C chord. C chord. Stay on the C chord. C chord. Okay, take it away. Alright, this next exercise is exactly like the first, but we're going to add one more strum to every chord. Okay, get ready for the count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord, G chord, G chord, G chord. Now C chord, C chord, C chord. Stay with it. C chord, C chord. New chord. E, 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 E. Now go back to the C chord. You stay on the C chord. Now we start the whole pattern again. Okay, ready? G chord, G chord, G chord, G chord. Go to the C chord. C chord, C chord. C chord. Now get ready for the E chord. Ready? Okay? E chord. E chord. E chord. Okay, back to the C chord. Very good. Alright, we're going back to the G chord and take it away. Alright, here we go. G chord. Alright, keep going.